Good morning, here's your Chambana Weather Morning Minute for Thursday, February 13th. The snow has moved off for the most part, though we could see a few light flurries as we head through especially the morning hours today. The bigger temperature, or the bigger story, becomes our temperatures. Near 30 degrees today will be falling sharply as we head through the morning into the teens by the time we get to the afternoon. Then eventually down below zero overnight tonight to a low of -2 with winds gusting from 20 to 30 miles per hour, leading to wind chill values -5 to -15, which could carry into the day tomorrow. 31 degrees again as we start the day here at 5 o'clock this morning. The cold front moving in. It's 25 degrees indicator, already down to 13, 14 degrees in Springfield and Jacksonville, to the single digits on the Illinois-Iowa border. So rapid temperature fall on its way. Here's a look at the national temperature picture. Again, Champaign-Urbana right about here. You can see that very cold Arctic air sweeping in behind that front. Temperatures 10 to 25 degrees below zero. Air temperatures across parts of the Dakotas and northern Minnesota. Here's a look at the satellite picture again. The front making its way through, or the storm system, the cold front lingering a little bit further behind. We see some of that bitterly cold Arctic air showing up on the infrared satellite picture. That's not cloud cover across the Dakotas and the upper Midwest. That is just bitterly cold temperatures that are again plunging our way. The good news is it doesn't last long. We can look at the radar picture again, some of that light snow flurry action moving off to the east, leaving central Illinois here. Coming up with a measurement of around, I did several. I'm getting a few 2.8, 2.9, some that were very close to the 3-inch line. We're going to call it 2.9 inches for a storm total here in Champaign-Urbana. We'll see what the official measurement is out at the at the Illinois State Water Survey as the official measurement here in Champaign-Urbana. But 2.9 here in Urbana, we'll call that a forecast win. Again, some of those forecasts that called for 4 to 6 inches were really heavily reliant on that overnight snow that, as I went through the forecast process yesterday morning, I just was not seeing with that dry slot coming in during the evening. So I was measuring just over 2 inches of snow at 6 o'clock last evening, so we didn't even pick up another inch as we went through the overnight, where if we were going to hit 4 to 6 inches, we needed to pick up 2 to 4 inches overnight. So again, we'll call it a forecast win. These things are very difficult. I don't pretend to believe that I'm going to nail the next one, so I appreciate your patience as we worked this storm out, but it did look like we came out with a pretty good forecast there at the end. Now, temperatures do take a tumble. Champaign-Urbana right here, again, near freezing as we get the day started today, but that will not last as that front sweeps through. Temperatures dropping into the teens this afternoon, below zero overnight. But then look, you start to see things rebounding out of the southwest at the end of that loop. We do warm up as we head into the weekend. Those winds begin to subside as we get into the overnight and day tomorrow, but those winds will be howling at times during the day today and into the overnight. Again, dropping those wind chills to -5 to -15. As we just take a quick look out into the future, we'll be quiet as we head through the weekend. The next storm system swings into our area as we get into the day on Monday, into Monday night, looking like a rain producer at this time across central Illinois. So we'll look at your 5-day forecast, a high of 14 degrees tomorrow, those wind chills below zero at times, rapidly warming back up to 36 on Saturday, 40s Sunday and Monday with that chance of rain as we get the next week started.